My name is Eli. I'm from Berkeley, California, and I'm 19. And the course I'm on right now is the semester course at NCOBS. At the beginning of this course, it was pretty tricky because we weren't super connected, all of our crew. And as time went on, we kind of, through shared experiences, connected more through talking about, our lives outside of Outward Bound. We connected more. And as that went on, we were able to work better together as a team. And I think that that's important because it's useful in life to just be able to work with anyone. You can always accomplish more as a team than you can by yourself. I think the biggest takeaway would be that I'm a lot stronger than I think I am. I think before this it was a lot easier to be like, oh, give up doing something hard because it's too difficult and it's not going to be that worth it. But I've been proven wrong time and time again on this course that it is worth it, and that even if it's hard, at the end of the day you'll look back and think that it was pretty cool that you got to do that and that you're proud of yourself that you got to push through it.